This floating bed frame gave color and life to the room. This is what it looks like before we put the mattress on. As you can see, there are lights that go all the way around the bed frame and also up in the top. Up in the top, there's lights there and on the bottom. So once we get the mattress in place, it's going to give the illusion that this bed frame is floating. As you can see, it's got the slat, so a box spring is not needed for this bed frame. All we've got to do is put the mattress on top. Now, with the mattress on top, you can still see the glow beneath the bed, and it gives the illusion that it's floating. I love the fact that it has all of the different colors, and not only does it give the brightness under, but up top, we've got two plugins. We've got the USB and the USB-C. We can also open up the headboard there, and that's a little hidey hole for all of the things that we want within arm's reach. Now, this bed frame is also easy to vacuum under because it is floating. Another great feature is that it has a remote. And so all of these colors can change. So we can change it for mood lighting. We can just change it for fun. We've got the red, we've got the green, we've got the blue. We can make the lights brighter. We can dim the lights. We can even have the lights go with music if that's what we want to do. And so when it comes to lighting up the bed, we've got options. This is also great as a nightlight. So for littles, that would be a great way to keep the lights on but not be so bright. Overall, this has been a great addition to the bedroom, so I hope you found the review helpful.